Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. And actually forgot to upload in the last 2 months. I had a quite tight schedule. I had my exams and all. But anyways, today is another episode, and I hope you like this episode. It may cheer up your day maybe. So you see Christmas is approaching, and by the way, a very Merry Christmas to all of you guys. So as you know, Christmas is approaching, and my parents gave me a really wonderful Christmas gift, which is really useful. So apparently it is, one second, let me just show you guys that. It is a binocular, like I was saying. So it is really useful. Apparently it can be used for like when you're watching sports from a distance and you can't see what's happening, like any like sports, boat or yaking, or like horse racing, auto racing. I wouldn't suggest hunting because that's illegal. But anyways, theater. In a theater, if you can't see and you're really behind, you can use this binocular. It has a 1 kilometer radius. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys the name of the product. It's Comet Binoculars. I'll link down the product descriptions in the description down below, so you can check it out. It can be also used in the beach to look in the far horizon, if you know what I mean, and especially in travels to the mountains. You know, there you can see really wonderful sceneries using this camera. So it is it can be used for many adventurous places, like I don't know, in a forest you can use it. So yeah, so apparently I unboxed this earlier only. So it comes in with this islands cleaners, and this protection thingy. I don't know what's the name of it, but yeah. And in the back you see from here, so let me just show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it is red in color. So it is red in color. That is because suppose it's really hot in the place and the sun is shining, so the red color will actually help you to see more efficiently in that time. Also you have this normal blue color, we just use the normal specs to see in the normal distance. So yeah, let me show you. I don't know if you can see or not, but it has a view. It's quite blurry, but anyways, so that was a binocular all about, and that's an unboxing. You can even increase the radius by using this here or here, and yeah, you have these comfy little places to hold your hands in. And not only that, but you can also view some secret stuff going in other societies, like some spying material. If you think that something's going crazy somewhere and you see some mysterious stuff, you can use this binocular. I highly recommend it. It's 2K, and this is the first ever proper binocular I ever received. When I was like watching some movie or something in a military, I watched a military movie. They use these type of binoculars, and I was like, maybe that's for the military only, because I had this binocular. I'll pop up in the screen, which is like, I don't know, that's not a proper binocular, but I always used to wonder, like, maybe that's for the high-tech people. But now when I received this, I realized maybe it's for the common people as well. And like I said, you can view it can be used as a spying material. For a few days, I've been spotting in just the next society known as Dwarka. In one flat, the light is completely going on for the whole day. So that's kind of mysterious, if you know what I mean. Because what happened? And if a person forgot to turn off the light and went somewhere, then they should at least close the windows. The windows are also open, and I've not noticed a single person moving. That is some sussy stuff. I'll keep you updated on that as well. And not only that, but this binocular is also coming up in an exclusive my channel YouTube video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and do like this video if you like this video today. So yeah, that exclusive videos are coming soon, so be sure to be up to date to my channel. And yeah. Oh hey, look, that's the like button. Hey, hit that like button right there. Oh wow, look at that subscribe button right there. You smash that subscribe button. Anyways, it's really nice, and yeah, see you guys later in my next video. Bye bye.